In this video, I am going to share some home remedies to get rid of oral thrush. First remedy is yogurt. It is very effective. Just eat 1 to 2 cups of yogurt daily to cure oral thrush at home. Number 2 is baking soda. Just dissolve 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 cup of warm water. Swish the winds throughout your mouth. Spit out the winds. Number 3 home remedy is lemon juice. Lemon contains antifungal properties. Just add the juice of half a lemon to 1 cup of warm or cool water. It's your choice. Drink this mixture or use it as a mouth rinse. Number 4 home remedy is turmeric. Just combining 1 and 4 to 1.5 teaspoon turmeric paste with a dash of black pepper and 1 cup of filtered water or milk of your choice. It is very effective remedy. And literally warm it. Just swish the mixture and you can also drink it. Number 5 and last home remedy is clove oil. You can also make a clove mouth rinse by steeping 1 teaspoon of whole ground cloves in 1 cup of boiling water for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Just drain the solution and keeping the liquid. Swish the liquid around your mouth. Spit out the solution. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you have any question about the video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much.